What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Couples Trading Lab. I'm Ray.
And this is Body. This is the Daily Price Action Show. We'll be going over SPY and QQQ. We got some very interesting charts for you. And I have something that I think not a lot of traders are paying attention to that is very, very crucial that you are aware of heading into this week because it sets up the ground for what's about to happen within the upcoming weeks.
Sellers are still struggling to create real downside follow-through while buyers continue defending higher lows above support.
I agree, Ray. I noticed through the last trading sessions, as we can see from this daily chart, there was not a lot of sell pressure. Sell pressure was very limited, very controlled. Price had been consolidating and digesting after the massive rally off of the April lows, trading inside of this very tight range we've been tracking from 731.51 support to 749.55 resistance. Finally broke above the tight consolidation range. Now bulls are trading above that breakout level with today's highs pushing into 752.13.
Bulls want to see that old resistance turn into support. So the simple breakdown is, as long as SPY holds above 748 to 749, bulls still have control. But if SPY fails below 748 to 749 with strong selling pressure, basically falls back below the previous all-time highs, then this breakout starts looking weak. And we could see a deeper pullback to retest the mid-range of the zone, which is around 739.50. So for now, SPY is still bullish, but the key is whether buyers continue defending above this breakout zone.
Heading into the next session, what matters the most is that bulls maintain above 749.55, showing clearly that they are holding that resistance, turning it into support, which will be a clear indication to me that they're going to step in with more hollow green candles higher and advance this market further. Now going over QQQ, we can see QQQ is very, very strong. We held support at 696.51 really well. Finally got the breakout above 722.16. As we mentioned on Friday's session, we needed to see a hollow candle close above that resistance level to indicate that bulls are maintaining the momentum and they're continuing higher. Coming into today's session, we can see that hollow candle, and so far it looks really, really good for the bulls. There's a great chance that we can see another green session heading into tomorrow.
Now let's talk about the part where traders are missing and not paying attention to.
RSI is trading above 70%. When the RSI is trading above the 70%, many traders mistaken that for an overbought condition and they start blindly shorting into that. However, they tend to get burned because in uptrending markets, the RSI getting above 70% is a melt-up operation signal where algos push price up nonsensically, as we can see from the last couple of times where the RSI breaks above 70% and we see those massive green bars that just push SPY to unprecedented highs. There's a very likelihood that we can see that again. Another thing that I had noticed some traders talking about it is that SPY may be forming this bearish divergence, and I agree 100%. I do see that bearish divergence as well. But something to keep in mind is that bearish divergences usually form where the RSI makes a high, creates a lower high, and then rejects that lower high while the actual price of the stock creates a high, comes back down for a small higher low, and then goes for another big higher high. That big higher high looks like it hasn't developed yet, and once we do get that developed, this is what we can expect to happen. Another small leg higher, SPY coming up to 755, maybe even 760 to 765, and from there the RSI pretty much rejecting the lower high structure with price forming that higher high, and that will form and establish that bearish divergence that a lot of traders are paying attention to.
And another thing I'm watching is the TTM Squeeze. Momentum has cooled off from stronger push higher, but it's starting to print light solid green bars, which tells me momentum may be trying to rebuild instead of fully rolling over. That matters because If price is holding support while momentum starts improving again, buyers could have enough strength for another continuation move, as you mentioned, Body, which is the rally-based rally setup. Let us know down below. Do you think SPY continues grinding higher from here? Or are you waiting for a larger pullback before becoming aggressive?
Leave a comment down below. We really enjoy reading your comments. And not only us, but others also enjoy reading your comments to feel what sentiment is like in the market, what everyone is thinking, and most importantly, it helps push us towards other viewers as well, recommends us to other viewers, and that greatly helps our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you in tomorrow's daily price action show.